Hello and welcome to this very healthy oats video. It's vegan, it's delicious, and I think you'll enjoy it. To start with, throw in some frozen berries. I also have some cherries in here. They're really high in antioxidants and lots of really good micronutrients. Microwave it to thaw. For me, it takes about a minute. Next, we want to add in the star of the show, oats. So I do about 3 spoonfuls of oats, and I think this gives about a medium consistency and thickness. You can adjust it to your own preferences. Next, add a small splash of any plant-based milk of your choosing, just to help with the cooking process. Pop it in the microwave to the specifications on the back of your package and also the voltage of your microwave. When it comes out, it'll be really thick consistency. This is exactly what you want because now you can add some more milk into the oats. Add in some chia seeds, some poppy seeds, some sesame seeds. And then last but not least, some dried fruit of your choosing. I do apricots and mangoes. It's in place of sugar, and because it's a whole food, it gives you a much better nutritional profile. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you try this recipe, comment down below what you think about it. And if you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. I hope you grow well.